Hi, Mrs. DeMedio here. For our reading comprehension, we are going to read George Washington Carver and answer some questions. George Washington Carver was born in 1864 in the state of Missouri. From a young age, George loved to learn about animals and plants. In college, he studied science and became a scientist. George went on to become a professor. As a professor, he taught college students all about different plants. He loved to help farmers with their crops. Some farmers complained that bugs were eating their vegetables. George found out that putting peanuts near the crops would keep the bugs away. He began to study peanuts closely. He came up with more than 300 ways to use peanuts. He discovered different ways to cook with peanuts, how to use peanuts with medicine, and even using peanuts as paints and dyes. So next time you eat peanuts, think about the famous scientist George Washington Carver. Let's now look at our questions. Number 1, what is the main idea of this passage? A, peanuts help farmers. B, George Washington Carver was a famous scientist. C, George Washington Carver went to school. Number 2, where was George Washington Carver born? A, Missouri. B, Japan. C, Washington. Question number 3. What did George Washington Carver study in school? A, cooking. B, ballet. C, science. Question number 4. Which statement is an opinion? A, peanuts are delicious. B, George Washington Carver was born in 1864. Or C, peanuts keep bugs away from crops. And question number 5. The passage says, George went on to become a professor. As a professor, he taught college students all about different plants. What does the word professor mean? A, school. B, teacher. C, baker. Go back and look at your questions or go back and reread the passages and then submit when you're ready.